Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Milford 1. TS Galaxy wins by penalties. I'm joined by the one, the only Marginator.
Hey, Stibo.
I'm not the money.
Yeah, sharp.
Yeah, sure.
First of all, congratulations to TS Galaxy.
Yes.
Not only for winning this game, but also for winning the Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
They will be the Nedbank champions.
Yes.
Guaranteed.
Yes.
The game was not impressive, to be honest. Nearly, it was just okay. Yeah. So man of the match for now, will give it to the supporters.
It's a TS Galaxy.
They came in numbers,
yes,
and they did what they had to do.
Yes.
Melfort,
yeah,
number 10,
yeah,
Chile,
yeah,
Chile Pait,
yeah,
Chilis,
yeah, it's a quality.
Quality,
yeah,
yeah, too much.
Chimzai Musain and Chimzai Musain.
Well, they've got bigger problems than Nedbank.
Yeah.
Chiefs have got more problems than Nedbank. So it's so much. Yeah. Depression, you are once number one.
Yes.
But otherwise, Tibo, goalkeeper wa TS Galaxy did well today. Saved some couple of penalties.
Yes.
Mara every ball I don't understand that. That is very poor. He can fix that. I can do very well. But otherwise, congratulations once more to TS Galaxy. I'm glad that this Nedbank Cup is going to a team that is within our area.
That's right.
So that is good. Thank you.
Mamelan. Lento bathe ngatshela abantu mara ngizonitshela. Yazi Nedbank itheni bafethu? Ithema ngathatha ama personal loan we-9,000. Yebo. Next game uzindonga makangakora. Leyo mali yini? Sibo, I took it loan. He can't achieve by knockout.